I'm somebody's wife. I know. You can't believe it. Somebody's wife. They here. For crown. Oh. No. So, sorry to start off this vlog. I had tea this morning. I can't find it. And I ran out of oatmeal. 5th day and ran out of oatmeal. So, this is what I'll be having. I had 6 oranges. Oh, Lord. 6 oranges. And this is what I'll be having. So, yeah. No, you will not be seeing my face. So, I'm doing my hair's tied up. You know the vibe is. I didn't do my edges, so leave me alone. I'm going outside for a little walk. I'm gonna end up jogging pretty soon. So, see you soon. Yep. And see. I cooked fish, salmon, and onions. And I'm about to have it with salad. And I'm about to cut up some more onions just to eat. And then that'll be the end. As you know before, there was no oatmeal this morning. So, yeah. Should I even call this the oatmeal challenge today? I think that would be a lie. But I'll call it anyways. Because it's part of the process. So, whatever. Anyways. Have a nice night. This will be the end of the vlog. That'll be it. This is it. This is the salad. This is the salmon. Boom. Chakalaka. I'll probably get Thousand Island and do like a tablespoon only. And that'll be it. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye. I'm sorry. Let me put you on. This is the spiciest sauce you'll ever have in your life. This is hot, baby. What it do, baby? That's exactly what you're gonna taste. So keep that in mind. Look how much I put. I'm a pro at this. I've been doing this since I was 12. So let's get it. Try it. I'm so serious. It's good. And it's like zero calorie. Oh. But the sodium's pretty. Nah, I mean, it's okay for the most part. But, yep.